Hi, I'm Rachel from Away with the Fairies, and it's a gorgeous sunny day today here on Fairy Mountain. So I wanted to show you our new Solar Tea Time Fairy Garden Kit. It's got a couple of lovely houses and lots of gorgeous accessories. So I've started with one of these barrel type plastic planters, but you can use any planter that you can get your hands on. I like these because they're nice and light to use. So what I've done is created some drainage holes in the bottom, then added a layer of gravel, and then topped it up with just a regular potting compost. So we're coming into springtime here in Ireland, so there's some gorgeous plants available, and I thought I'd use some cottage garden style plants for this planter. So I've picked out a really nice lavender, which has some nice height and gorgeous purple colour, so that's going to go at the back of my planter. Now to add another lovely plant, this time gorgeous little forget-me-not. So that's going to go just at the back here. So the final plant I'm going to add is this lovely alpine saxifraga, which has gorgeous little white flowers. That's nice and low growing, so that's not going to obscure any of the accessories too much. I'm just going to pop that at the front of the planter. Now to add one of the lovely houses that you get with this kit, it's the blue solar teapot fairy house. Has a solar panel on the back, so that will charge up during the day, and as long as it's in the on position it'll automatically light up after dark. Has some gorgeous details, little birds on the roof, cute little door, nice round window and flowers and foliage growing around it. So I'm just going to pop that at the back here. So the other house in this kit is the cute solar teacup fairy house. It's made to look like a cute upturned little teacup. And again, there's a solar panel on the back, so that's going to charge up during the day and light up after dark. Loads of nice details on it. Again, a little ladybug, toadstools and flowers and foliage growing on it. So I'm just going to pop that down here next to the lavender. The great thing with this kit is there's loads of accessories with it, which is really nice. So we've got these cute daisy cobble paths. So I'm just going to have these coming from each of their house entrances and meeting up in the middle. Before I add any more accessories, I want to cover up the bare areas of earth. So my favourite to do this is moss, which we collect locally in our area. So I'm just going to place that onto the areas of bare earth, just so it looks a little more natural. So as you can see, I've covered most of the earth up with the moss, and as long as you keep it well watered, it's going to stay green. So what I'm going to do with this final area is just add some gravel. You can use aquarium gravel, or we also have some different colours of gravel on our website. The gravel adds a nice splash of colour to the front, which I think is really cute. So this is going to be the seating area, and the kit comes with a lovely table and chair set. So it's fashioned to look like a little mushroom, and it already has tea for two laid out, which is very sweet. So I'm just going to add the table and the two stools here at the front. So that's ready for a fairy tea party. You'll also find in the kit this lovely metal humpback bridge. It's really ornate. I'm going to add that down here at the end of the pathways. Also included in the kit is this lovely little fairy garden sign, just to let the fairies know they can move in. I'm going to add that down here next to the forget-me-nots. So what do the fairies need now in their fairy garden? Well, we have a lovely little outside tilly lamp, which swings from a metal hook. That's really sweet. So we can't have a fairy garden without a fairy, so we have the really cute little Mari fairy here. She's going to sit down at the tea table and wait for the fairy tea party to start. So there's our how-to video with the Solar Fairy Tea Time Kit. Hope you've enjoyed watching and it's given you a few ideas. I love the combination of the plants and the houses and the accessories. And remember, it's going to look really gorgeous after dark as well once the houses light up. So thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye bye.